Welcome to Junior Explorify. Today, we're going to learn about 24 birds of prey and how do they look and sound like. Are you ready? Let's go. Bald eagle. Bald eagle. Barn owl. Barn owl. Black kite. Black kite. Crested caracara. Crested caracara. Eurasian eagle owl. Eurasian eagle owl. Night heron. Night heron. Ferruginous hawk. Ferruginous hawk. Golden eagle. Golden eagle. Harpy eagle. Harpy eagle. Harris's hawk. Harris's hawk. Red kite. Red kite. Little owl. Little owl. Long-eared owl. Long-eared owl. Martial eagle. Martial eagle. Northern goshawk. Northern goshawk. Osprey. Osprey. Peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcon. Red-tailed hawk. Red-tailed hawk. Secretary bird. Secretary bird. Short-eared owl. Short-eared owl. Snow owl. Snow owl. Turkey vulture. Turkey vulture. Black vulture. Black vulture. Vulture griffin. Vulture griffin. Tell us which bird did you like the most? Say it loud. We will be back soon with another video. See ya! Junior Explorify. Subscribe for more animal videos.